Good morning. Well, and it is early morning. It's not even quite 5 o'clock here. I am in the church library getting ready for our third annual Sunray Car Show. It's going to be a great day. Stay tuned. Well, so it's a little after 5:30 now, and you can see I've got some tables out here. This over here is going to be the concessions, and I've still got my car that I need to move. I'm not quite sure exactly where because it's not going to be in the show, but I wanted to display it nonetheless. But I've got some folks coming over to help, and they should be here shortly. So we'll just keep setting up. All right, so it is about 6:30, and we got some of the youth out here. We got Lennox, we got Leo, we got Milani, and some other adults. We've got some easy ups up, as you can see, some tables, some chairs. Franco, another youth, is in the back getting another couple of easy ups, and we've got Fish over here in the red truck. He is waiting for his folks to show up. He's the guy from Q93, so they're going to set up right over here. We're already out of breath. About 9:30. Got about 35 cars out here. Got Q93 playing in the background. Concessions and registration are going. Got the trophies out. Things are looking good. I think it's going to be a good day. Well, was it worth coming out?
It was good coming out, get a day off of work.
That's not what I meant. I meant, did you guys get some leads?
I mean, not necessarily. We gave some business cards out.
Okay.
Wasn't too crowded.
We stayed busy anyway, so.
I know you
wanted to get the break, so.
Oh, okay, well that's good.
Yeah.
All right, well thanks for coming out.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm here with Mike and his beautiful red Chevy, right? Okay, make sure I get that right. Mike, what? Tell us about it. What year?
The front half is 69.
Okay.
Back half is 85.
Okay.
It's got a Stroker 383 engine, fuel injected 8-stack.
Okay.
Everything I could get off of chrome is chrome. Underneath, everything is powder coated or chrome.
Powder coated with chrome. See if I can get down here. Oh yeah, see, you can see a little bit of it down there. It's hard to see, but yeah. And you can see how low it is too.
That's on airbags.
Oh, you got it on bags. Okay.
Oh, this is way too low to drive.
Okay. All right.
Strictly for show.
Okay.
The upholstery was done by Cool Customs in Yuba City.
Cool Customs did the upholstery. Yeah, we've had a few of those.
And they, the rest of this truck, except for the upholstery and the tailgate, was done by Bobby Shim.
Bobby Shim.
Yep, Bill's Electric in Marysville.
Okay, he did the paint.
He did everything except the upholstery and the tailgate.
Gotcha. So Frenching in the antenna.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
The tail lights are French. They're off of the fleet side.
I have a buddy
That's the air ride suspension system back there. The best part's back. You're missing the tailgate.
Oh, geez. Yeah. Oh, the tailgate. Oh, wow.
It's kind of the same chassis.
Oh, yeah, that is nice. Outlaw graphics. So I'm here with Gary in his 2009 Corvette ZHZ, and I have to be honest, this is the first ZHZ that I've ever seen. To be honest, I didn't even know they existed. So, Gary, tell us about it.
Well, in 2009, Hearst contacted GM to make a fun car for their collection, and so they ordered 350 of these.
Okay.
They're all exactly the same color, same accessories were put on them,
Okay.
and they were turned out to be rental cars.
Huh.
Fortunately, this car, 50 of them went to Hearst executives to drive.
Okay.
This was one of the executive cars, so it was never a rental. But yeah, they did some modifications. They actually sent the cars over to a local Chevy dealer there in Kentucky to put the final mods on.
Okay.
And yeah, it's just a fun car to drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like fun. How long have you had it?
I've had it about 4 or 5 months, I guess.
Okay.
Not
Okay.
a long time. I was really fortunate to find it. They're few and far between.
You had to travel away to get it?
Actually, I found it on a car lot down in Fairfield,
Oh.
believe it or not.
Okay.
And it didn't, and they all had the black stripe on it too. When I bought it, the black stripe was gone. The ZHZ emblems were gone off of it.
Okay.
I think somebody tried to downplay the ZHZ model.
Oh, yeah.
And so I had the graphics put back on, and I was fortunate enough to contact the original Chevy dealer back in Kentucky, who had 2 sets of the ZHZ emblems left, and he sent them out to me. So yeah, that's
Okay.
pretty much it. It's got bigger brakes, bigger wheels, bigger tires, special wheels, little modified engine, exhaust system, those kinds of things that kind of sets it apart.
Yeah, well, yeah, I definitely like the graphics, and of course, you already know I love yellow, so yeah, it's all good. It's a beautiful car, and we appreciate you coming out. Do you have any problems with the registration? Or
No? It was smooth, easy, great.
Okay.
No.
Good.
It was terrific.
Good. Well, thanks again for coming out. So all we got left is a little cleanup. Awards have been presented, trophies have been given out. I think we had some happy people here at this today. It's starting to get a little warm, as you can probably tell. But again, I think we had fun overall and pleased participants. So that's always a good thing. So anyway, as always, if you like this video or any of our other ones, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.